So this is Feature Scientific Acumet XL600 multi-parameter fully touchscreen benchtop meter. So in this you can measure pH, millivolt, ion, conductivity, TDS, salinity, and DO. So it has two BNC connectors and two ATC temperature, that is ATC connectors. This is for connecting the conductivity or TDS probe. This is for connecting the DO probe. This is for connecting the stirrer. On this side we have RS-232 output, USB port for connecting pen drive, mouse or keyboard. This is for connecting mini V USB, for connecting it to the PC to operate through LIM software or the Acumet software. On this side we have stirrer output and RJ45 for connecting the internet cable. To start the meter you have to press the on key at the bottom. So this is the multi-channel view right now. So if you want to assign different parameters to different channel, you have to go to the mode button, and here you can select the parameter you want to assign to the channel. After assigning, you can press the multi-channel. So if you want to calibrate the pH, that is channel 1, you have to press channel 1. In this you can start the stirrer by pressing the stirrer buttons. Now to calibrate the meter you have to press the standardize button. You can calibrate up to 6 point. So it has auto recognition feature. So once it gets stable you can press the confirm button. So you can view the calibration report over here, standardization view. And you can take a printout if you want. You can log the data if you want by pressing log data. You can view the data in log view. Want to take a printout, you can press the print button, or if you want to export in the USB you can press the export button. In setup mode you can change all the settings. You can give the sample ID, you can select the buffer groups and rest of the settings. Now to return back to the main page, you have to press mode. You have to select multi-channel. Now if you want to calibrate the conductivity, you have to press the channel 4, and you have to press the standardize button. Here also, once it gets recognized, after getting ready indication, you can press the confirm button. And come back to the measurement mode, you have to press. Rest of the features are same. You can view the graph also by pressing this. So and you can set up to 10 user IDs. For that you have to log in the admin. System settings, you can change the speed of the stirrer, brightness, printer protocols, and rest of the things. If you want to measure a single parameter at a time, you have to press over here. So now only channel 1 will be operational, and you have to press channel 1. Again, if you want to come to multi-channel, you have to press over here. Then you have to again press over here and assign the parameters that you want to measure, and press multi-channel. To access the setup of all modes, you have to press setup, and you can view the settings and change the setting over here. Channel 2, channel 3 and channel 4 accordingly, and you have to press OK to come back. In multi-channel view, if you press log data from here, data from all the channels will be recorded simultaneously at the same time. If you want to view only one channel at a time, so you have to press on that channel. So single channel mode will get on. And to come back to the multi-channel, you have to press mode and multi-channel. If you want to view the data, log data, you have to press the log view in multi-channel mode, and all the data you can view over here. For channel 2, you have to press over here. You can see the complete data over here. If you want to take the printout or export data to pen drive, you press on it and you can use this button.